be Eldritch Ecology of Gooby Wooby. Welcome to the hidden realms of the Gooby Wooby, a place where nature is not kind nor cruel, but indifferent. Here, biology itself plays dice with sanity, and the dice are loaded. Observe the chittering splay hairs. At first glance, harmless fur like moth wings, eyes like polished obsidian. But note how their organs are external, dangling freely, swaying gently in the air. This is not a weakness, but a defense. Predators who attempt a bite discover the splay hair regenerates into more predators. Quite the evolutionary inconvenience. Here we find the velvet maulings. They appear soft, almost inviting, but the velvet is no fit is a sensory net, each strand a nerve, tasting the world. When threatened, the maulings collapse into a puddle of teeth, majestic in its own revolting way. Beneath the eternal ocean, one may encounter the scaled cloud bear. Yes, that scaled cloud bear, me, your humble narrator, Lord Grumblikins of the raging temporal storm, colossus of the deep, fur shimmering like storm clouds, scales ringing like chimes. By drift endlessly, filtering the very dreams of drowned sailors for sustenance. I should know, for it is I, Grumblikins, ecology narrator extraordinaire, at your service. Here the glass-horned grazers wander, their sustenance. Light, they graze upon the auroras, stripping the very sky. When satiated, they shatter themselves into fragments, each shard a larva, each larva destined to repeat the cycle. Immortality through annihilation. How efficient. Some say Chortlebog birthed the grazers, and they are probably correct. And now, the jewel of this dimension. The choir of carapatched laments. They do not feed, they do not move, they sing. Each note corrodes stone memory, and sometimes the unwary mind, a perfect reminder that beauty in these lands is weaponized. The Gooby Wooby believed these beings were not wildlife, but neighbors. Every structure, every fragment of artifact we find is built to coexist with these horrors, a harmony between civilization and madness. One could almost admire it, if one weren't so busy running. And so, the ecology of the Gooby Wooby reveals itself. Not a hierarchy, but a carnival, a biology written by fever, etched by nightmare, whispered by the abyss itself. But remember this, while you marvel at their elegance, they are marveling at you.